Mahal na mahal. Sobrang mahal.
When forever comes tomorrow, what has been.
Alam mo, wala na akong mahiling pa. Mamahalin kita ng sobra-sobra hanggang sa dulo. Aalagaan kita. Saan na ako? Aalagaan kita, mamahalin kita. Pagluluto kita, paglalaba kita, pagdadrive kita. Pero pagdadrive mo rin ako.
Hear me now and know the
Wow! Wait, I'm sure magugustuhan mo ito dapat. Magagamit mo ito tuwing magkakasama tayo. Magkasama tayo. Para hindi ka masilaw sa kagwapuhan ko. Love you, see you sa altar.
Hi, love. I still remember the first time we met. Noong una naisip ko, meron na naman akong bagong friend. And then we talked. We talked a lot. Tapos naisip ko noon pa lang, ay pwede.
like a secret I can't keep. I've loved you forever, endlessly. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
May this gift be a reminder of adventures we will take. See you later. Love you. Love Grace. Yan. God.
It's always you. It's always you. Always been. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will always be.
You have become my lover, my companion, and my best friend in such a short period of time. I haven't been so calm and at peace since I met you. Kaya feeling ko talaga, 10 years na tayo magkakilala. We always say, bakit ba ngayon lang kita nakilala? Nasa kainta ka lang pala. But truly, I think this is God's perfect timing.
You see, the point of marriage is not to love each other because each is useful to the other. The point of marriage is to love each other with self-sacrificial love, unconditionally.
Daylight dancing on the wind, feels like I've been born again when I'm with you.
Love is giving yourself up for each other. That is how Christ loved the church, and that is how you should love each other.
I'm coming alive.
I know you are strong and independent, but I promise to be by your side when you need me, and even if you don't. I will always support you in everything you want to accomplish, honor, respect you, and love you always, even if it gets hard.
Like a wildflower. Summer sunsets, canyon clouds, feels
Uy,
like time.
lingon na ba ako? Uy, hello. Basta.
Nasa panibagong phase ka ng buhay mo, panibagong chapter, kakaibang experiences, kakaibang mga happenings, pero tandaan mo, lagi andyan si Lord, no? Ang takbo lagi kay Lord.
Yes.
Diba? I love you.
Kung mayroon man dumating sa buhay natin, kahit ano pa yan, huwag mong kakalimutan. Huwag mong kakalimutan kung gaano tayo kamahal ng Panginoon. Again, thank you Lord sa magandang love story. Mahal na mahal kita.
Never get tired of coloring their hair. Kahit bata pa tayo. Late man tayo nagkakilala, but again, I know this is God's perfect time. And today is a celebration of His plans. We have the rest of our lives to go on adventures together. I love you.
When I look into your eyes, I see our future ever bright. Oh, what of you? We're growing old but forever young, and all